In this video, we will explain our process for repairing hairline cracks in your kiln lid. Before we begin, we should note that it is normal for your fire brick to develop small cracks. Most of these are not a cause for concern and don't require repair. However, if these cracks become more severe, this video will teach you how to address them. This repair will require a power drill, a 1/8 inch drill bit, a plastic spatula, and our high-temperature brick cement. Start by routing the brick along the crack using the drill. Your drill should penetrate about 1 inch into the brick, creating a channel for the cement. Use a vacuum to remove all of the dust from the channel. Wet down the area, and the brick will be ready for cementing. You may need to thin out the cement with water to ensure it seeps in. Use a spatula to fill the crack with cement. Make sure to push it deep into the channel and blend it smooth. Use a damp sponge to wipe off any excess cement. Allow the repair to dry for 24 hours and then sand it smooth with 60 grit sandpaper. This concludes our process for repairing hairline cracks. For more kiln maintenance, repairs, and tutorials, be sure to visit L&L's website at hotkilns.com.